welcome to Fran's Friends. Going along with my advent calendar for the year of 2025, this is going to be my July Christmas ornament. And what I did a couple of months ago is I just found a dollar store maple leaf that I had picked up, and I used a silk flower as the center of the ornament. So this July, I thought, being July, long weekends, etc., I would use the maple leaf again for July, and what I would make would be a poinsettia. So this is how it turned out. What I did was I took my white cloth that I use for my pillowcases for my stuffing, and I backed with heat and bond on the back, and then I took ribbon, making sure, and I cut out the shape of a leaf to coordinate with the size of the ribbon, and I cut out 6 in the green and 6 in the gold. I put them together, just gluing them, rounding them off, and then on the back of them, I just put a small circular piece of felt. I did that with the green one, and then attached it to the maple leaf, and then I did the same with the gold one, and then I just put a piece of felt, and then I glued that one onto the green. I made a little hanger out of just a metal ring, and there is a tutorial on how to do that on the website, and it just makes a nice little bit of a different hanger for your piece. I put all of the edges of the leaves are all done in blanket stitch. I made a little bow with a pearl for the stem, and I took a piece of ribbon and went down the center, pulled it tight, and I made a rosette. I put just a little glued bead on there, and that's the center of my flower. So very simple. That's the back of it, which looks, and what I did was to put the little hook on, I just glued it on and then just put a little circular felt on there to make it look a little bit more finished. So that basically is my July's Christmas ornament. And I like the idea of using the red. It ties the gold, the green, and the red together with a little bit of the white. So I've taken pictures of, this is the 7th month now, so I've got 7 covered, and I have up until December. So each month, as I say, there will be something a little bit different. I have a few things in mind for the coming months, an angel, another tree, so that type of thing. But I do like the combination of the golds and the greens, and that little hint of white with the bead. So there we go. Christmas in July. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for August. Always another month to go, and the Advent calendar is coming along. So thanks again.